This morning, the Jefferson County School Board is taking on Attorney General Daniel Cameron.
Yeah, so last year, a man violated the school district's mask policy by refusing to wear one in the building. Cameron said the board illegally barred that man from a public meeting. So now JCPS is fighting back.
Gabby's live at the Van Hoos Education Center this morning to break down the arguments in the lawsuit. Gabby, good morning to you.
Good morning. AG Cameron said the refusal to let Wallace into the meeting was a violation of the Kentucky's Open Meetings Act. However, Jefferson County Board of Education argues the mask required to enter JCPS buildings was already in effect back in July of 2020. The district denies Cameron's claims that it violated the Open Meetings policy, arguing the meeting was being live streamed. It also said policies were in place because the Jefferson County at that time was in the high category for COVID infections. According to the appeal, at the time of the incident, the board says Wallace was offered a mask or face shield and a COVID-19 test, all of which he refused. The board says it also, this is also Wallace's third attempt at trying to challenge the health guidance plan. However, the Attorney General says health measures have nothing to do with maintaining order. Right now, the district's lawsuit questions whether AG Cameron should have refused himself from making a claim in the matter due to his public comments denouncing mask requirements.
Well, this is an interesting situation because wearing masks in schools or at work or wherever obviously has been a very controversial subject. What might be a good question to ask JCPS is, so why have they chosen to take this next action and file the counterclaim in the circuit court?
Now, in response to the lawsuit, the Attorney General's office has released a statement saying, quote, "We stand by our open meeting decision, which speaks for itself and clearly outlines the law, and we respect the right of Jefferson County Board of Education to file an appeal." So clearly this battle isn't over, and once we know more in regards to this, we're definitely going to keep you all updated on air and online. Guys?
All right, Gabby, thank you so much. Now, we've been following this case since the very beginning. All of those reports and Kentucky's Open Records Act are linked in this story on our website, WHAS11.com.